Today I want to tell you why I purchased this 2-pack of freezer-safe silicone soup containers. So I saw a recipe on social media about making your own Velveeta cheese. And so I looked at the recipe, realized I have all those ingredients, I just don't have the container to put them in. And so hence that is where this comes in. So I chose this one specifically because each side is 2 cups. Now, if you know a pack of Velveeta, the whole thing is 32 ounces. So each side holds 16. So this in its entirety will be a loaf of Velveeta cheese when I complete it. This comes in a 2-pack. So you are going to get 2 bottoms and 2 silicone lids. Now, what I really like about this is that this ridge at the very top has some sort of metal, I'm not sure if it's metal, but it has some sort of stability to it. So it's very difficult for me to bend the lip. Now, you may be thinking, how am I going to get my food out of here? Once it's frozen, is it going to be frozen solid and I'll never be able to get it out? No, that is not the case because the entire bottom is still very much silicone. So the directions say when you pull this out of the freezer, let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes on your counter, and then you can easily push the bottom to pop out your frozen block of soup or cheese or whatever you end up making. These would be perfect, and I believe their intended use was for soup servings. So after you make a big batch of soup, you can portion out 2-cup servings of soup for you to have for lunch or leftovers or any other personal eatings later on in the day. But I also really liked that they come with the silicone lids as well. Each lid fits perfectly onto the top of the container. Like I said, you do get 2 of them, 1 for each. And so once you have your lids on, you could easily stack these in your freezer to save space or however you needed to. I cannot wait to use them. I have not used them yet, but I can already tell they are going to be perfect for the project I need them for.